call this a road.
Switchback after switchback, up and down. The roads have just come apart on us. Okay, so this is the part of the truck where we have to carry our bags because the road's out. Fucking hell. And there's avalanches happening all around here that's kicking up this dust. You can see just through the clouds there. I mean, you can hear the rocks coming down right now. So once they stop, it's making a move for it quickly, because don't want to get smucked in the head by some rocks. There you go. There's avalanches happening. Guys already made it across with my bag, but fucking hell. Anyhow, that's why the Jeep can't go. The Jeeps are down through the dust. But yeah, gotta run through that as soon as it stops. Bloody heck, crouch down like this guy. Oh shit. Fucking hell. Yeah, it's clearing a bit. Once that stops, I'm gonna go. Acha. No, it's still coming. Yeah. K2 base camp. Amigo. Okay, go? Let's go. Alright. Let's go quickly through this rock path here. They're coming down right now. So, fucking hell. Waiting, eh? Acha. Okay. Yeah. Tigre? Good? Okay. Alright, boy. It's okay, Tigre. Yeah. No, I know. Alright.
Hello.
Yo.
1 minute.
Yeah, waiting. But these guys will let me know when it's time to go. But now, eh? Go. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Toy. Fucking. Bloody heck. Yeah. Alright. So that's it, just that little bit there. We got some Jeeps waiting for us on this side. Hello. Running at 3,500 meters. Get some heart pumping. Look, that was interesting. Alright. Hopefully there's no more rock avalanches today. So a couple more of the groups made it across, but some people are still holding, waiting for a safe opportunity. Hey, this guy grabbed my bag for me, so I'm give him a bit of a tip. It's just dust coming down off the mountain. Yeah, they said the bridge was out. I always thought it was like suspension bridge or something, not like a land bridge or a road. But isolated part of the world, you gotta make concessions and deal with it as best you can. All right. Hopefully not too much longer to Askole. Should be up the mountain there somewhere, up the road. All right. Ciao. Fucking hell. Whoa. Yeah. Fucking hell.
Not the video that I sent my mom.
Yeah, wait till I get home. He's climbing right now. All that area, it was a road like 20 minutes ago. Half this mountain collapsed into it. Anybody going through there, they're just like running it as fast as they can. Just running it across. You never know, any second the rocks can come by. I want to get out of this area. If we can jump in the jeeps and get going, that'd be nice. I think there's one bag we're still waiting for though. Hopefully these guys run. They're already starting to try and shovel. Here comes some more rocks right when they come. Retreat, retreat. Fucking hell. Yeah, I don't want to stand around here too long. Yeah, I think that's the last of our bags these guys have. Just running across. He's got that massive, somebody's got a body in a bag? What did they bring out here? Jeepers. Here they go. Where they're going right now, there was a road there like 20 minutes ago. Right, we got the rest of our stuff. Hopefully we can get out of this place before the whole mountains collapses. Hey. Bloody heck. Well, it's another 15 kilometers to Askole, but it's better than walking, eh? Rather this than walking around. So, maybe 1.5 hours?
Yes.
Yeah, something like that. All right. All right. At least we're out of this bloody avalanche zone.